Can you solve this math problem most will get wrong? Let's find out. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this problem down below. So we have 11 to the power of 3 plus parentheses 66 times 5 and parentheses times parentheses negative 2 and parentheses. So since we have multiple operations within this same problem, we need to make sure that we're following the order of operations when solving this problem. And on the left-hand side here, we can see the acronym PEMDAS, which tells us the order of priorities when solving a problem just like this. The P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, so our first priority is to solve for anything within parentheses. So we're going to be multiplying 66 times 5, which we know gives us 330. So we're going to write that down below, and we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have 11 to the power of 3 plus 330 times parentheses negative 2 and parentheses. So since we don't have anything left to solve within the parentheses, the negative 2 here within parentheses just represents that it's negative 2. That means that we can move on to our next priority of E, which stands for exponents. So we're going to solve for any exponents. And here we have 11 to the power of 3, and 11 to the power of 3 gives us 1,331. And now we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have plus 330 times parentheses negative 2 and parentheses. So since we don't have any more exponents here, we're going to move on to our next priority of multiplying. So here, we're going to be multiplying 330 by negative 2, and since we're multiplying a positive by a negative, we're going to have a negative product. So when we multiply 330 by negative 2, we get negative 660, and now we're going to bring down the rest of this problem after we put parentheses around our negative 660, which is 1,331 plus negative 660. So since we're adding a negative value onto our 1,331, that means that we're going to be decreasing in value. So when we add negative 660 onto 1,331, we're going to get 671. So our answer is B. 671. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.